Hey guys, welcome back to lesson 5 of this linear fill lessons that I'm doing. This is taken from Gary Shafee's book, Time Functioning Patterns. Check out the link in the description, you can pick it up, it's a great drumming book. So today is a little bit more difficult than the other lessons because we're mixing up odd and even numbers. It's a bit more challenging because as well, the numbers that we're working on, which is we're going to do 8, 5 and 3. 8 has 2 kicks, 5 and 3 have just 1. So it's difficult to get it going, it's difficult to get the muscle memory going, so you just have to spend a little bit more time on it. At least I did have to spend a little bit more time. For anybody who doesn't know what we're doing, basically we're taking up the number system through a full bar of 16 notes, because if we have 8 and we plus 5 and we plus 3, we get 16. So every note that we're hitting is a 16 note, but we're just moving it through a number system to remember it a little bit better. Okay, so 8 is going to be 6 with the hands, 2 with the feet, as we've discussed, I think, in lesson 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 is going to be 4 with the hands, 1 with the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, 2 with the hands, 1 with the foot. 1, 2, 3. Put them together. And we're going to do that, and we're going to repeat it over and over until we get very comfortable with it. So remember, take it slow. Keep going. Remember then, bring it back to what we had in the previous lessons. Go from straight 16 notes in the hand and then move into one bar of this, going back to one bar of straight 16 notes with the hands and then into this new system. Just so that you know you're playing the 16 notes and not just playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Just to make sure that the note value is correct. Cool. What we'll do is we'll take the first one, 8, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple enough, a run around, going from the snare to the first tom to the floor tom, and you're just going to hit it twice for each drum and then 2 kicks. Then what we're going to do for 5, we're going to do 2 snares, 2 floor toms, and 1 kick. Okay? And then we're going to finish it off with a floor tom and a high tom and a kick. For the 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so remember to do that very slowly at the beginning. Don't rush it because again, it's a muscle memory thing. When you get that nice and clear, remember making sure that it sounds like a 16 note. Getting it really crisp and right at the beginning before you speed it up. Then when you speed it up, you'll go way faster than you actually think you'll be able to. Okay, so that's cool. That's a really, really good fill that you can do over and over. The problem is, and it's the same thing I discussed in the last lesson, lesson 4, is that if we play a fill like that, we'll take the exact same thing. Notice the note that I finish on is going to be a kick. Up. Now if I want to hit a cymbal, I'm going to have to do 2 kicks, so we don't want that. So this particular fill we're going to do now, we're going to shake it up and we're going to finish with 3 with the hands rather than putting in the third, the last one with the kick, so that we're able to hit that cymbal with the bass drum at the end of the fill. Okay, so let's do this fill. So that's for 8. Bell, hi-hat, snare, snare, floor tom, high tom, kick, kick. Again slowly. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for 5, what we're going to do is we're going to play 2 snares, a floor tom, a high tom, and a kick. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to play 3 with the snare drum. We're not going to go right, left, right. We're going to go right, left, left, because we want our good hand to hit the cymbal. If you're left-handed, take what I said, spin it around and go left, right, right, smash. Okay? So when you put it together. So that doesn't mean that every one of your fills have to come out on the 1. That's up to you, but 99.9% of the time it will. So. It's a good combination of numbers, the 8, the 5 and the 3, to get a really cool kind of sounding fill that you wouldn't hear that often. Anyway guys, that's it for this one. Take your time doing it. Remember, think about muscle memory. It takes a while for the muscles to remember all this stuff, and don't rush it. Anyway, see you next week for number 6 and we'll take it from there. Take it easy, have a good one, bye bye. Guys, hit me up on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and if you like what you're seeing here today, you can see a lot more videos. Just click on any of them here on the screen.